So I decided to start a business because, like a lot of people, COVID changed my life quickly, and I wanted to get into a situation where that couldn't happen again, and I controlled my own destiny. And I looked at a lot of different options before I arrived with Tikiz. Tikiz checked off more boxes than anyone else. Functionally, I like that there was flexibility, that I could run the truck myself as much as I wanted to, but as it grows, I could bring on employees. I loved that. I love the positivity of it. You know, you're going to events, you're making kids happy, you're seeing smiles. It seems like a pretty good way to spend time. I like the community involvement. You know, I'm a big community guy, and the idea of spending weekends at, you know, a softball tournament here and a kid's day camp there, that was very appealing. And finally, I like the giving back aspect, the fact that you could, you know, give to charity and help schools and little leagues. It all seemed like a very positive business to be involved in. The training experience has been great. Everyone you meet is nicer than the last, and it actually makes you feel even better about getting involved in Tikiz, because you're dealing with people that you know, that are good people, that are in this to help you grow your business. And I'm feeling a lot more confident. Running a shaved ice business is a lot different from anything else I've done before. And there's a fair amount to it, from setting up the truck to running the software and everything else. And you know, after a few days, I'm filming this at the end of my time here, I'm feeling a lot better than I did when my plane landed in Florida. So you leave here feeling pretty great.